I don't think people understand what it really means to live their best life. Did you know that everything you know about living your best life is probably wrong? Like seriously wrong. It's not just all about the money, the fame, and those scented candles that promise to fix your life. Stick around because today, we're diving into 6 unique habits that can truly transform your life starting today. These are things you can actually do, not just think about doing while you scroll through Instagram. Get ready to laugh, learn, and maybe even do a little dance, because things are about to get good. And watch till the end because somewhere in the video, a random question will pop up. Answer it in the comments below and you might just get a shout out in our next video. Alright, first up, we're tackling the fine art of laughing at yourself. Life is a comedy of errors, and you are the star of your own personal sitcom. Think about it. Those awkward moments, those times you tripped over absolutely nothing, those times you said you too after the movie cashier told you to enjoy the show. Instead of cringing, embrace the awkward. Own those moments. The ability to laugh at yourself is like a superpower against the stresses of everyday life. It's like a mental reset button, instantly lightening the mood and making you way more approachable. Next time you spill coffee on yourself, don't get steamed. Just laugh and say, "Look at me," saving some for later. Trust me, learning to laugh at yourself is like a free therapy session, but way more fun. So, give it a try today. Laugh at yourself and see how it transforms your day. Don't forget to share your funny moments with us in the comments below. Okay, this next habit might sound a little scary at first, but trust me, it's a game changer. We're talking about a daily digital detox hour. For just 1 hour each day, put down the phone, step away from the computer, and give your brain a break from the digital overload. Think of it like a mental vacation. No notifications, no endless scrolling, no comparing yourself to other people's perfectly filtered lives. Just you, some peace and quiet, and maybe a good book, or a nap, or a staring contest with your goldfish. This is your time to recharge, reconnect with yourself, and maybe even discover a hidden talent. So why not start today? Set a timer and let your digital detox hour begin. All right, everyone ready to spread some good vibes? Habit number 3 is all about random acts of kindness. Because let's face it, the world could use a little more kindness, right? It could be as simple as smiling at a stranger, holding the door open for someone, or complimenting your neighbor's dog, even if it looks like a dust mop. Think about it. How awesome does it feel when someone does something nice for you out of the blue? It's like an instant mood booster. Now imagine spreading that feeling around like confetti. Plus, it's contagious. Kindness has a ripple effect, inspiring others to pay it forward. So why not start today? Write a note to someone who needs a lift and brighten their day. It's totally worth it. Habit number 4, dance like no one's watching because they're probably not. Time to turn up the music and get those feet moving. Unleash your inner rock star and dance like no one's watching. And let's be honest, no one's probably watching anyway, unless you've got a hidden camera crew in your living room, in which case, hello hidden camera crew. But seriously, even if they are watching, who cares? Life is too short to worry about looking silly. Crank up your favorite song and just let loose. Not only is dancing a fantastic mood booster, but it's also a great way to get some exercise without even realizing it. So what are you waiting for? Put on your favorite track and dance like no one's watching. Habit number 5, try something new. This next habit is for you. Step outside of your comfort zone and try something new because you know what they say, variety is the spice of life. Challenge yourself to try something you've never done before, something that scares you a little, something that makes you say, well, why not? It could be anything. Taking a cooking class, learning a new language, finally trying that weird-looking fruit at the grocery store. Yep, the dragon fruit. The point is to break out of your routine, expand your horizons, and who knows, you might even discover a hidden passion. Or at the very least, you'll have a good story to tell. So, what new thing will you try today? Leave a comment below and let us know. What's the best thing that has happened to you in the past month? Share your story in the comments below. Habit number 6, daily gratitude reminder. And last but not least, we've arrived at our final and most important habit: gratitude. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life and forget about all the good stuff, right? So take a few minutes each day to remind yourself of all the awesome things you have going on in your life. It could be as simple as being grateful for your health, your family, your friends, whatever brings you joy. Write it down, say it out loud, or just think about it really hard. Focusing on the positive, even when things are tough, can have a huge impact on your overall happiness and well-being. Start your daily gratitude reminder today and see the difference it makes. All right, folks, there you have it. 6 unique habits to help you live your best life every day. Remember to take action on at least one of these habits today. It might just transform your life. Don't forget to like and comment below on your favorite habit. Also subscribe to be notified on our next video. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. And remember, keep laughing, keep dancing, and keep being awesome. Oh, and answer the random question in the comments for a chance to get a shout out in our next video. See you next time.